In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram posts on WordPress. If you want to display an Instagram post directly on your WordPress site, the process is actually very simple once you know where to find the embed option and where to place the code inside WordPress. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it from start to finish in a clean and reliable way. First, go to Instagram and open the profile that contains the post you want to add to your website. Once you're on the profile, click on the specific post you want to embed. Make sure you open the actual post itself, not just the profile grid view, because the embed option is available from the individual post menu. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the post and click them. This opens the post options menu. From that menu, select embed. Instagram will then generate an embed option for that post that you can place on an external website, including a WordPress page or post. After that, click Copy Embed Code. This copies the HTML code to your clipboard. That code is what tells WordPress how to display the Instagram post on your site. It's important to copy the full embed code exactly as provided so the post appears properly. Now switch over to your WordPress site and open the page, post, or editor area where you want the Instagram content to appear. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. This is how you insert different types of content into the page. In the search bar, type HTML. When the available block options appear, click on Custom HTML. This block is the correct choice because Instagram's embed code needs to be pasted as HTML rather than regular text. If you paste it into a normal paragraph block, it usually won't render correctly. Once the custom HTML block is open, paste your embed code into the block. Take a moment to make sure the code is fully pasted and hasn't been accidentally edited or cut off. Keeping the code unchanged helps avoid display issues. Finally, click Update to save your changes. After your page updates, your Instagram post should be embedded on the page. It's always a good idea to preview or view the page live afterward so you can confirm the post is displaying correctly and fits nicely with the rest of your layout. And that's it. You've successfully added an Instagram post to WordPress using the embed code and a custom HTML block.